Ever thought about the nutritional value of the meat you consume? How about buffalo meat? Do you know its health benefits? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets hidden within buffalo meat. This less explored yet highly nutritious meat is not just a source of protein, but also a treasure trove of essential fatty acids and vitamin B1. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast seeking muscle growth or someone looking for a healthy diet, buffalo meat could be your answer. Intrigued? Stick around as we delve into the numerous health benefits of buffalo meat. Buffalo meat is not just tasty, but it's also packed with a ton of health benefits. Let's dive right in. Firstly, buffalo meat is a heavyweight when it comes to protein content, surpassing even beef. This high protein content aids in muscle growth and repair, making it an excellent choice for those who lead an active lifestyle or are looking to bulk up. But it's not just about the muscles. Protein also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. But the goodness of buffalo meat doesn't stop at protein. It's also a rich source of beneficial fatty acids, which are essential for our bodies. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation, maintain brain health, and even contribute to a healthy heart. So while you're enjoying that juicy buffalo steak, remember that it's doing your body a world of good. Buffalo meat also boasts a generous amount of vitamin B1, or thiamine. This vitamin plays a pivotal role in converting our food into energy. So if you're feeling a bit sluggish, a serving of buffalo meat might just be the pick-me-up you need. And speaking of energy, buffalo meat's high nutritional value also makes it a fantastic immune system booster. A robust immune system is our body's first line of defense against illnesses, and regular consumption of buffalo meat can help keep it strong and active. Moreover, buffalo meat is known to prevent stroke and cardiovascular disorders. Its low fat and cholesterol content, combined with its high protein, make it a heart-friendly choice. And now, for the mothers to be out there. Buffalo meat is a good source of nutrition during pregnancy. It provides essential nutrients that contribute to the healthy development of the fetus. Lastly, let's talk about cancer. While further research is ongoing, early studies suggest that buffalo meat could play a role in combating certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer, and that's not all. Buffalo meat has more to offer. Buffalo meat is beneficial beyond providing essential nutrients. Now that we've established the basic health benefits of buffalo meat, let's delve a little deeper and explore how this nutritious food source can support muscle growth and even play a role in regulating prostate cancer. Muscle growth is vital at every age, but it's especially crucial for children in their developmental years, and for adults focused on maintaining their strength and vitality. Buffalo meat is a rich source of high-quality protein, an essential building block for our muscles. By including buffalo meat in a balanced diet, we can provide our bodies with the tools they need to build and repair muscle tissue. This is beneficial not only for those who are physically active, but also for those recovering from illness or injury. Now, let's touch upon a more specific health advantage of buffalo meat: its role in managing prostate cancer. While it's important to note that buffalo meat is not a cure or a standalone treatment, some studies suggest that a diet rich in lean proteins like buffalo meat may help regulate the growth of prostate cancer cells. This is due to its lower fat content compared to other meats, as well as its high concentration of essential nutrients. It's clear that buffalo meat offers more than just a tasty meal. It's a nutritious food option that can support a wide range of health goals, from muscle growth and recovery to potential cancer regulation. Clearly, buffalo meat is a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. As we continue to explore the advantages of buffalo meat, we begin to see why it's a smart choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. So, let's quickly summarize what we've learned today about buffalo meat. We've discovered that buffalo meat is a powerhouse of nutrition. It packs a punch with higher protein content compared to beef, and also offers valuable fatty acids and vitamin B1. Consuming buffalo meat can give your immune system a boost, and even help in preventing stroke and cardiovascular disorders. Moreover, it's a reliable source of energy, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their physical performance or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's also particularly beneficial for pregnant women, as it provides essential nutrients that support healthy growth and development. But that's not all. This nutritious meat also plays a role in combating cancer, with studies suggesting it may help regulate prostate cancer. Not to mention, it aids in muscle growth for both adults and children. In essence, buffalo meat is more than just a tasty choice for your meals. It's a power-packed, health-boosting superfood, Next time you're thinking about what meat to buy, remember the numerous health benefits that buffalo meat offers. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and informed.